Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got another weather radio for you. This one is very unique. It's from RETEKESS, and it's weather only. It has SAME, S-A-M-E, digital weather alerts, hazard warnings, all kinds. I didn't realize that there were 60 plus different kinds of those digital alerts. And on this radio, unlike other radios, you can select which ones you want it to warn you about. And you can get warnings, watches, and advisories. Some of them you can't turn off. Some of the more severe ones you can't turn off. The other thing is that you can set up to 25 cities to monitor. So, for instance, if there are cities around you that you want to be alerted of weather conditionings happening, and so you can get advance warning. Like here, I live in Clearwater, Florida. I might want to set up weather alerts from places to the east of me, to the north of me, and to the south of me. Now, of course, I live on the west coast, so there's none to the west of me. So you can set up to 25 cities. It also does automatic testing. So if it does not receive a weather alert within 10 days or a weather alert test, which they send out every so often, I guess in less than 10 days, it will give you a notice that maybe something's not working. So that's nice. It can be powered two ways. It comes with an AC adapter, or it uses 3 AA batteries. So in case you lose AC power. Now it's got a bunch of connections on the back. Let me put the antenna down. Telescopic antenna is about 24 inches. And on the back here, we have on-off switch, an external antenna connection. So if you're kind of away from the station and can't pick it up with this built-in telescopic antenna, you can add an external antenna. You don't see that on most weather radios. Data copy. I'm not sure what that is. I'll have to investigate that some more. External alert. So you can hook it up to an external device so that it flashes, a big red light or something, and you can see it. And of course, this is the DC input. It has some fold down feet on the bottom so that you can kind of stand it up at an angle, and you can mount it on the wall with these mounting holes right here. Okay. Nice big display, easy to read. It's got a backlight. See, there's a nice bright backlight. Sorry for the reflection of my light. And I can go through here just quickly. Things you can do. You can set the time, set an alarm, what type of alarms you want, whether you want audio, video, visual, so on. Set the language in case you don't speak English. And then you can set, oh boy, I went crazy there. You can set those 12 cities that you want to monitor. I mean, not 12, 25 cities you want to monitor. You can set the alert type, alert message. You can set the channels that you monitor. I tried it and it picks up one channel really strong. Yeah, and you also get an indication of the signal strength, which is low right now because I got the antenna down. And then this tells you what type of indication you're going to get. and whether you're in the menu mode right now and then the battery status. Big button here to turn on the radio to listen to weather. See if I can hear it with the antenna down. Now turn the volume. Oh, it's also got volume here.
And inland waters.
There we go.
Saturday night, east winds around 15 knots. Seas.
And you can turn it off. I'm trying to look at my notes here, see if I've missed anything, because it does have a lot of features, unlike other weather radios. I did mention the multiple alarm methods, either a tone alarm, a voice alarm, or text on the screen, whichever you prefer. I would prefer the voice, of course. That's it. And in addition to this, the people at RETEKESS sent me a code so that you can get a discount off of this radio. And I'll put that code in the first comment under this video. So check it out. Really nice looking radio and really nice display. That's about it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.